Hey traders, welcome back to our new video. So in this video we are going to see the weekly analysis, the previous week analysis. So through this video we are going to the different concepts like support and resistance, liquidity, different patterns in the market. All these things are analyzing throughout this video. So you must watch fully and understand the concepts where we should use these concepts in the market and how to analyze the chart. This is the uh, main thing in this video. So don't take the trade by seeing only these videos. First you must analyze your chart and add your own studies for every taking trade. So analyze this video and understand the concepts that are using, and that will use your own video. So this video is very much helpful for your future trades. So for our weekly analysis, I am switching the chart to week. So first of all, I am going to delete all the, I think that I already drawn the this is the previous week, so I have to delete other things. So this is the previous week. Then I switch for the daily view of the market. So this is the daily view. We want to analyze this area. This is the previous week. So this is the daily chart of I am analyzing the gold, currently seeing the gold. This is the daily chart. We can see the what the market do is the market went from this high to this low and make a lower low and a lower high and a lower low. This is the current market condition. From there the market make another high. We don't know where this high is get rejected. So this is a market condition. What the market do is the market make a higher high, then a lower low, then a lower high and a lower low. That's showing a rejection from these areas. So what I do is I draw a fib level from this area to this low. We can see the market currently is trading from this area. This is our area of previous week. So what we see is the market is come up to this area, that is 78 fib level. This is the important area, fib level. So why is important? Because when I draw the fib level from this area to this area, what we can see, the market is rejecting from the same 78 fib level. So that is interesting thing. The market from this high to this low, the market come up to this level and rejecting from the 78 fib level. Then I draw again the fib level from this high to this low. Again the market come up to this area, 78 level fib level. So I don't think that the market is going to for a short side or a sell side, but I anticipate for a rejection. So I anticipate for a rejection in the in this week opening. So that we see in the previous week opening that there was a small rejection, and I already anticipate, but I don't enter fastly by seeing this rejection. I wait for the confirmations. After seeing the confirmations only we can go for a downside. So by seeing this chart we can see them in the 1 hour chart. Switching to 1 hour chart, the market make a huge downside to this candle. You can see a huge sell candle and make a what here making a fair value gap. We can switch for some 15 minutes chart. Look at this area. What we can see, the market making a huge sell. Then what happened, the market to collect that orders, the market come up to that area and again retested this fair value gap. The retest is is a confirmation when the market reaches the support and resistance level. So the market retested the fair value gap and go for a sell. So here we can see there is a fair value gap. By seeing this fair value gap, we can go for a sell side by correct adjusting our position sizing and profit and loss. That is our SL and target. That is also very important while trading. So we can see go for a sell side. Then we can see we can switch to another areas to see. So we can see that fair value gap and a good position for trading. So then we can see these areas important support area. So the market one reaches this level, the market make a support. So we can draw this as a support area. Don't what I telling that when we draw a support area or fair value gap or like that, don't think that the market is going to hit that level and go according to our direction. That is very wrong. We have only anticipate or there is only a chance of that respecting that area. So don't think that the market is going to that area and it will reject from that area or make support from the support level. Don't think that like that. The market has a chance, has a probability of doing like that. So that in the right and the market from that area, from this area, the market rejected one time and again reaches to this level. And what happened, the market come to this our support area. When we can see, when we go to the lower time frame also, we can see a lot of trade. So in the lower time frame also, we can draw this support in the lower time frame and we can anticipate for different trades. So I am showing currently in the 1 hour and 4 hour, then 15 minutes, like that. When we switch to 1 minute 5 minutes chart, we can see a lot of trades in the um, market. So while increasing our trade, that will make to low. So always do one or two trade maximum per day according to your risk reward ratio and the position sizing, like that. So so I take daily three trades. I already posted that videos in my daily challenge trade. So in that videos I already showing how to take the trades in the small time frames also. So by market we can switch to, so you can see there is a huge buying here. So by seeing this huge buying, we can understand there is a lot of buy come from here, buying area come from here. So what happened, the market has a chance, a potential of chance to reverse that area to collect these by these pending orders that the market shown. But the market, what happened, the market does not come immediately, but it come in the next week. In this week, there is a huge buy in the previous week, then the market come to collect that orders in this week. So that is also a fair value gap. We can draw this fair value gap and anticipate for a rejection from this area. Don't try to anticipate, don't try to think like that the market is going to hit this area. Not like that. The has a chance of reversing. Then I can go to 1 hour for another area. So this is the previous week. I am going to 15 minutes also. Okay, I am showing different things in the market. I am not when I see that, I am showing like that. Market cover up this liquidity. Then one thing using the fib level. I will show from here. So here you can see there is a huge buying from this area, cause a huge wick. That is a lot of buying come from this area, shows this wick, lot of buying. That candle shows a very huge buying. This candle, sorry, this candle shows a huge buy in the market. So what I do is I have an anticipated, I think for a probability of or a chance that a river market has to retest this level, has a chance of collecting these pending orders. So what I draw is I draw the fib level from this area to this area. What we can say, the market is come up about up to 78 fib level. So there is a potential chance of taking trade from that area, and the market go clearing up this area and go up to this. So we can see the market taking the support from here, this area support. If I draw, I am deleting this thing. If I draw some sort of, if I draw this from here to here, there is some sort of activity is taking place in the market. That is, when the market reaches up to this level, market has showing some reaction from this level. So like this, the market is getting a support from this level. So when the market break this support, look, we can see the market make a huge sell and break this support. So the beginners, what they do is they enter in this trade. What then do they enter from that trade lead to their stop loss. What the market do is market huge make a huge movement, like showing a selling a huge breakout. What the new traders do is they enter the market from here and take a stop loss to this area and wait for a target. What then do? They hit by a SL. They hit by SL. That's the reason. Because we can enter from here, this level or this level. Because the market make a huge move to a small time frame within a second or within a minute. So we can get a time to enter a huge falling market. So when we enter this market, we are entering from this side, this side, this side. So our stop loss will be here. That is very bad placing stop loss. So what happened? This will lead to the hitting the SL. So what we do is we have to wait when a support is broken. When a support is broken, we have to wait for to retest. So when the market retest, we get a good entry, we get a good position sizing from. So we have to wait for the retest. So while we retesting from here, we get a good SL, profit loss ratio, like that. When we can what we can do, we can trail our stop loss and SL and trail our target also from these to this fair value gap. That also possible. So I don't try to follow the falling market or a huge move market. Wait always for a retest or like that. So we can see the market also making first time the market hit the support area, and this support become a resistance, then a huge movement to upside. The market make a small rejection, a consolidation, and the market go to upside. So this, I am ending this video. We can see a lot of analysis and lot of trading opportunities in the live market. So better to do is take 1 or 2 trades daily and analyze a chart. Take a one chart and analyze it for a long time, long running, and take one chart and analyze it for a long time. So we can find some sort of patterns and like that. If we can see all this things we studied, all the things we studied in the market will work on the market, but the only thing is where to use or where to place that things in the market. We can see also different patterns like that. We are already seen this is a this is the you can see this is a bullish engulfing pattern, and different pattern we can see. There is another bullish engulfing pattern, shooting star, all the things we can see. But the thing where we should use is that much important. So to understand that, you must analyze the chart and understand the every chart has a different property. They are working different thing, different way or different thing. Already shown a fib level from this area in the starting of this video. So the gold has a some rejection from the 78 fib level. Different chart has a different form of changing their retesting levels, so like that. So I am stopping this video. So I think that you understand some of the concepts in this video. So comment down below your thoughts. So thank you for watching.